Python multiprocessing. Some functions do not return when they are complete. Queue material too big. I am using multiprocessing's process and queue. I start several functions in parallel and most behave nicely. They finish. Their output goes to their queue, and they show up as is underscore alive equals false. But for some reason a couple of functions are not behaving. They always show is underscore alive equals true, even after the last line in the function, a print statement saying finished, is complete. This happens regardless of the set of functions I launch, even if there's only one. If not run in parallel, the functions behave fine and return normally. What kind of thing might be the problem? Here's the generic function I'm using to manage the jobs. All I'm not showing is the functions I'm passing to it. They're long, often use matplotlib, sometimes launch some shell commands, but I cannot figure out what the failing ones have in common.
Alright, it seems that the pipe used to fill the queue gets plugged when the output of a function is too big, my crude understanding. This is an unresolved/closed bug. This URL. I have modified the code in my question so that there is some buffering, queues are regularly emptied while processes are running, which solves all my problems. So now this takes a collection of tasks, functions and their arguments, launches them, and collects the outputs. I wish it was simpler/cleaner looking. Edit, 2014 Sep, Update 2017 November, rewritten for readability. I'm updating the code with the enhancements I've made since. The new code, same function, but better features, is here. This URL. The calling description is also below.
If the accessibility down, please consider the program.